Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my Dewalt 20 volt max XR leaf blower. Who here likes to rake leaves? Anybody? Anybody? Well, it is a necessary task. Man, oh man, is it time consuming. That is why I like to have a good quality blower on hand. To turn it on, all you have to do is press the trigger and start blowing. And it also has a lock function on the top, so the blower can keep running without me having to constantly hold the trigger down. This Dewalt blower is quite powerful, with its air volume of up to 450 cubic feet per minute and also up to 125 miles per hour. Despite being that powerful, it is surprisingly very lightweight and has an ergonomic design, making it manageable to use for longer periods of time. Even my 9-year-old is able to use it when needed. I especially love that it is compatible with all my other Dewalt 20 volt batteries, so I don't have to buy a separate battery for it. Which, by the way, I always recommend keeping extra batteries on hand with any of your tools to make sure any of your work doesn't get interrupted by having to keep charging your batteries. If you are in the market for a high quality, heavy duty leaf blower from a reputable brand, definitely come check this one out.